Buy automatic hand cleaner dispenser station system at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Smart sensing and completely touchless design provides quick sanitizer delivery without touching the machine and has LED indicator for night use. Easy installation and can be used for a long time. Freestanding telescopic lifting stand. Easy be adjusted to the appropriate height. Ideal for high traffic areas such as lobbies, restaurants, schools, universities and hospitals. Powered by 4-pack of C batteries. Support DC and battery, the battery can use more than 30,000 times. Light indicator if something under the dispenser from the sensor and will stop working to avoid any leakage. Suitable for 3 different liquid, foam, soap water, thinner liquid. It is ideal for high traffic areas in office buildings, schools, retail stores, cafeterias, clinics, hospitals and more. Maintain a clean environment and reduce the spread of germs by offering your employees and guests easy access to hand sanitizer.